Okay, jagged potato and crunchy salad. The ingredients we need today is 1/4 of a small carrot, celery if you've got some at home, spring onion, some of the fried noodles which gives this salad the real crunch, 2 tablespoons of grated cheese, 1 tablespoon of sour cream and a tablespoon of coleslaw dressing or salad cream or mayonnaise. The ingredients you need we've all set out. So carrots, spring onions, celery, sour cream, coleslaw dressing, some fried noodles, some cheese, or anything else. If you've corn, if you've cabbage, if you've ordinary onion, just use what you've got. First thing you're going to do, wash and dry your potato. We don't want any soil on it. Use your fork, just give it a stab a few times with your fork, and we're going to use the microwave. So the potato, put it on a piece of paper towel, put it in the microwave for about 10 minutes. And then when you lift it out of the microwave, I want you to finish it off in the oven for 5 minutes. Okay, the potato is cooked in the microwave and I finish mine off in the oven to give it that nice crispy skin. So what I'm going to do now is just use a sharp knife and I'm just going to cut across in it. And then I'm going to push it up. So we've got a nice fluffy potato ready for our filling. So today we're going to do a crunchy salad for the filling for the potato, but you could have loads of stuff for it. You could have tuna and sweet corn, you could have curry, chili, bolognese, lots and lots of options. So we're going to chop the celery up into very small pieces. This here is very low in calories, very high in vitamin C, but celery is also very high in salt. And vitamin C we need for our skin, gives us nice clean skin. And I'm just going to use my sharp knife and I'm just going to chop it up into tiny pieces. Another thing that goes well with celery in a salad is apple and walnuts, but we're just going to use that. So I'm just going to put our chopped celery in our bowl and then we're going to move on with our carrot. So just chop ends of your carrot and we're actually going to grate the carrot. So use your grater. Let's use the bigger holes on the grater. So we're just going to grate the carrot. A carrot will also give your salad some colour. Okay, the carrots have got vitamin A. Vitamin A gets converted into something called retinol, which is really good for our eyes, especially so we can actually see in the dark. So we're just going to finish. Just watch when you're grating right to the last little bit. Just it doesn't matter. I wouldn't want you grating your fingers. And then what I want you to do is just lift your grater. Just scrape the inside of your grater and get every last little bit of carrot off, and then you're going to add the carrot into the bowl with the celery. So the next thing I want you to chop, just get rid of the scraps. The next thing I want you to chop is your spring onion. The spring onion will give it flavour, so I want it very, very finely chopped. So I'm just going to chop the top of this and then just go down your spring onion. This here, you can use an ordinary onion, you could use red onion if you haven't got a spring onion. You can actually use chives, but the onion just gives it that strong onion flavour. So just chop it down. That's the part that we'll throw away. And then if you feel that your onion is still too big, just hold the blade of your knife down with your fingers and just give it just a little chop like that. Also now gets added into your salad. So with your cheese, you just put the cheese in. So a couple of good tablespoons of grated cheese. we're going to add some of the fried onions. These are very convenient. They add the crunch, ready to serve. Add a quarter of a packet of the fried noodles. You could also have a cabbage in here. You could have a nice red cabbage to give it colour. And then we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of the dressing. So I'm just using a coleslaw dressing here. And then we're just going to add a tablespoon of sour cream and then just mix the whole thing up together. So you have red cabbage in here, you have the green cabbage. So now you could even have a bit of apple in here, you could have some nuts in here, some walnuts in here to give it texture. So what we're going to do now with the coleslaw is we're going to get the potato and we're going to show you how to load up your potato. With the coleslaw, just top your potato up. And there you have it. So what I'm going to do here is just garnish mine with a few fried shallots. And you can serve that with a piece of fish, you could serve it with a burger or just serve it on its own. So good luck, you eat, and off you go.